Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be here giving you guys a review on this 360 wig from OMGqueen hair. Yes, I said it, this is a wig and I only got her for $160. So if you want to know additional details, stay tuned. Okay, so the wig came wrapped in a net when you took it out of the bag. This is the curls fresh out of the bag. Now this hair, you guys, I'm so impressed. It's super duper soft. Now it did come with a little stench, but that's nothing you can't fix with a little shampoo and conditioner. But I also can say this pre-plucked hairline is on point. Now, I was a little nervous about this at first because I had never plucked a frontal before and I wanted the most realistic frontal. Now, I can definitely say I think I can get away with this frontal without having to go pluck more. After putting this wig on, it's giving me life, you guys. Like I really love this wig, from the texture to the pre-plucked hairline to the curl pattern. It's definitely giving me a natural vibe, giving me a pass for my own hair, and that's definitely what I was looking for in a wig. I am so in love. Just look at this wig, you guys. Look at it. Even with me running my fingers through this hair, I have not experienced any shedding. And it did come with baby hairs already. They are long, but I think I'm going to leave them like they are because it definitely does look natural already. I don't want to really do anything to this wig except for wash and style it. Alright, let me go ahead and show you guys how I washed this hair. I went ahead and soaked the hair first, then I went in with my Tresemme shampoo. I use Tresemme because that is what I have in my house. Feel free to use whatever shampoo you already have at home. I've learned that it's more about the conditioner you use rather than the shampoo. So I went ahead and washed this hair, I want to say about 3 times, just to get that original smell out of the hair. Okay, so after I finished fully rinsing out that shampoo, I went in with the Whole Beads conditioner and I simply applied the conditioner throughout the entire wig, making sure when I'm applying it, I'm going through with my fingers and getting every single strand. Now after I finished, I set the wig into the sink for about an hour and a half and let the conditioner soak into the wig just like I would do with my natural hair. So I went ahead and rinsed off the wig off of camera. Then I went and cut the lace prior to styling the hair because I didn't want to interfere with any of the curls tomorrow trying to cut the lace off of the wig, since I don't know what I'm doing and this is my first lace front. Alright, so let's take a minute to admire these curls, you guys. I am still able to run my fingers through these curls without getting any tangling or shedding, and I'm loving that. As far as styling this wig, all I did was apply some Paul Mitchell serum on the wig and go in with my denim brush and fingers and detangle, well not detangle, but comb through the hair just so I can get the curls to pop. So I did notice after cutting the lace and running my fingers through the hair a little bit more, I got about maybe 2 strands of hair sheds, and I'm going to say that's pretty normal, especially when you're cutting the lace. However, that's definitely not much shedding. Look how the brush just simply goes through this wig without any snagging, tangling, or anything. I'm definitely loving this wig every step of the way. Every minute I spend more with this hair, I find something new that I love about it. And after I go through with the denim brush, I'm going to go through with my fingers and kind of scrunch up the curls and pull them apart just a little bit, just so it can be more fuller and the curls won't be stuck together. But can we focus more on this lace? Baby, I cannot tell you how excited I am to put this on my head because it just seems so natural. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this here and I'm going to let it air dry overnight. Come back tomorrow and go ahead and style this for you guys just so we can see this finished product. So it is the next morning and I am prepping my hair for the wig by placing some foundation on the wig cap to make it look more realistic once I put the wig on my head. I do like to go ahead and put a wig grip under my wig cap because it gives the wig a little extra security without me having to secure the lace. Now that I have my wig grip and cap just like I like it, it's time to place this beauty on our head, and I'm loving it already. It just looks so realistic and I haven't even secured the lace. I think that I'm going to be able to get away without securing the lace today. So I have decided to go ahead and pull the baby hairs forward and rock the baby hairs for today. So what I'm going to do is go in with my Got To Be Glued in this edge brush that came with the wig and go ahead and lay those baby hairs. Alright, so after I did my baby hairs, I went in with an old powdered foundation that is my skin color, and I applied it to the edge of the lace just to give it a more realistic vibe. And after that, that's all that I did with this wig, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look of this wig. And like I said, I have not plucked anything from this wig, and all I did last night was wash the hair straight from the box and then applied some palm neutral serum to the hair and went in with the denim brush to get the curls to pop a little bit more. Other than that, I really didn't do anything. I let it air dry. I popped it on today, and as you all can tell, I did not use anything to seal the wig down. Really just pull it up, but it is laying flat for me right now. I do not like to add a lot of glue and things to my edges. So what I did is apply for a little security the Gorilla Glue to the baby hairs where the wig is, so that I can make sure it lays flat right there in the baby hairs. Now, when you flip the wig up, you can't really tell. I mean, I haven't secured the wig. Now, if I flip it all the way up, yeah, but I don't plan on doing all that movement. I'm gonna leave it right here. Now, once I decide to pull the wig up, then that'll be a different story, and I'll probably have to secure the wig down or find an alternative method. Also, I added a bobby pin over here just to secure the lace on this side. I noticed that over here on this side of my head, the wig was the lace was a little longer than on this side. So this side, it went smooth, it was perfect. It matches up with my ear perfectly, but on this side it has like sideburns, I guess, or maybe my head is not as big as I thought it was. But I do really like this hair. Details about this hair: this is a glueless lace front wig. Actually, I believe it's 360. The density is 120 at the top and 180 in the back. This is 18 inches in a natural color. I did add the extra elastic band, but like I said, all I did when I styled this wig was use the elastic bands that was already inside of the wig. Now, as far as maintenance on this hair, I'm not too sure about the maintenance just yet, but I can tell you guys, once I cut the lace, that is the only time I got shedding, and I think I got like 2 strands of shedding, maybe because I cut a little bit too far. I really do not know, but outside of that, there has been no excessive shedding. I can say that this wig is definitely worth $160. Yes, I said it, I only paid $160 for this wig. It feels amazing, it looks natural. I cannot be more happy and satisfied with my purchase. Now, I am super excited with this company, or I'm super impressed with this company, because I ordered this wig on Black Friday. I want to say at maybe around 11 o'clock at night. This wig, they sent me a confirmation immediately, and then the next morning when I woke up, I had already received a tracking number for the wig. I was like, what? And if you know, when you add the elastic band, it says there's going to be an extra 5 days processing time. So I wasn't expecting to wake up the next morning and my wig be already shipped. Well, I believe the wig came in on Wednesday, so it didn't even take a week for my wig to get here. So if you're definitely looking for something right away that you need within a week, I definitely would recommend this hair. I absolutely love it. I would definitely buy it again, without a doubt. I wouldn't doubt it. If you guys would like more details about this wig, go ahead and look down below, as I will pin every details about the wig that I have on right now. Other than that, if you like this tutorial, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and come back for the next video. Thank you guys.